Hi friends, I hope you and everyone around you are safe and in good health. Today in this video, I'm going to share unbiased 99 shops world reviews and will let you know is this shopping website legit or a scam. But before starting guys, let me tell you that it is not a sponsored video, neither this website is owned by me. So through this video, you will get to know whether you should buy products from this website or not. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that 99 shops world offers variety of products such as lehengas, saris, gowns, salwar suits, nightwear dresses, kurtis, handbags, footwears, cosmetic products and so forth. And guys, here we can see that almost all the products are on sale. And before proceeding further friends, I would request you all to like, share and subscribe my channel because it will help you guys to get the notification each time when I upload some informative videos on my channel. Now let's proceed to know information related to payments. So here we can see that the available payment options are Airtel, MX, MasterCard, Paytm, RuPay, Visa and many more. Now let's check the shipping policy. So here we can see that orders will be processed and dispatched same day as they guarantee fast delivery. And apart from this, we can see that the shipping charges are not specified. So now let's have a look on return and exchange policies. So guys, here we can see that nowhere on the official website information regarding return and refund is provided. Also, information related to cancellation policy is not provided. So it's a negative sign. Now let's check the way to contact them. So here in the customer support section, we can see that only an email ID is provided, which is 99shopsworld@gmail.com. And apart from this guys, let me tell you that 99 shops world lack presence on social media platforms as well. So now let's proceed to talk on those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of this website. So guys, 99 shops world uses HTTPS connection. Therefore, the information you send or get through the website is safe, which is quite a positive sign. But guys, it alone is not sufficient to determine the authenticity of any website. Therefore, let's check the details related to registration. So here we can see that the domain name of 99 shops world was registered on 21st August 2021. And here we can see that the domain is registered only for 1 year. Now let's check the customer reviews on 99 shops world, because guys, customer reviews are one of the most critical factor to identify the legitimacy of any website. So here on the official website, you will see that there are many positive customer feedback and few of the feedbacks are even 8-month old. Friends, tell me one thing, the website which has been registered just few days back, how could they get reviews from customers 8 months ago? So it shows that content over the website is misleading and it may be copied as well. So it's a red flag. So guys, I would like to end the video by stating that loopholes such as incomplete details related to shipping and refund policies, cancellation policy, incomplete contact details, lack of presence on social media, misleading customer remarks, copied content and duplicate images of the products makes us to doubt the authenticity of this website. So based on all these checkpoints, I would highly recommend all the viewers not to shop from this website, as there are high chances of receiving low quality goods or nothing at all. So friends, that was all about the unbiased review on 99shopsworld.life. And guys, if you have ever ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback in the comment section below so that other viewers get to know about your shopping experience with this seller. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to protect yourself from online fraud. Bye bye guys, stay safe, stay informed.